Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the eSound error code WC014. The error reads, "This song is currently unavailable." As per our research, this error comes when users try to listen to music or add a song to their playlist. According to our research, the error is likely caused by temporary glitches in the app, cache issues, or problems from the server side. First, restart your device and then try playing or adding the song again. If the error still persists, try clearing the app cache. Once done, reopen the app and check if the error still comes. If the error is still there, check if there is any update available for the app. If so, update the app and see if this helps. At last, if you still receive the error, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. After reinstalling, open the app and check for the error again. In case the error continues even after reinstalling, then probably the issue is from the system side. We suggest you wait for a few hours and then try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.